It came as a surprise to us, but one of our favorite 4K rendering companies actually has a brick and mortar store here in Toronto.
Yeah, and if you had watched our previous video or one of our previous videos on one of our favorite communities here in Toronto, Roncesvalles is actually located on Roncesvalles, which is kind of fitting because Roncesvalles is pretty damn cool.
Yeah.
But the store we're talking about is Vinegar Syndrome. Kind of a wacky name.
Why do they call it Vinegar Syndrome, Cope?
You know what? I'm going to leave that as a quiz of the day.
Okay.
Let us know if you know why it's called Vinegar Syndrome and why that particular pair of words is so important when it comes to not just 4K rendering, but any sort of classic movie rendering. Let us know in the comments. So we decided we're going to go check out the store.
Yeah, because basically we're trying to upgrade our movie collection from our Blu-rays, our favorite Blu-rays or movies that were our favorites into the 4K.
Now, don't get it wrong. We have some Blu-rays that are just phenomenal. They look great as they are. We don't need to upgrade those to 4K. And a lot of the 4K titles we're actually targeting are lesser known sort of cult classics or movies that have kind of been forgotten that maybe you wouldn't go out and get on Blu-ray, but on 4K, it makes all the difference. So we visited the store, and while we were there, couldn't resist it. We had to get a couple of their actual Vinegar Syndrome 4K renders.
Yeah.
We came away with 2 videos from them. I'll show them to you later on in the actual video here in the review. But also, we found out that the store is a lot more than just movies.
The store is awesome. First of all, when you look at the outside of it, it's so freaking cool. They go with the theme of whatever's happening, and now we're getting close to Valentine's Day, so they have a cute little like setup for Valentine's Day.
With a couple of skeletons on a date.
Which is so cool. They got a bunch of horror style movies, which if that's your thing, my goodness, check this store out because they got you covered on it.
Yeah, 100%. If you're a horror fan, this is where you go because there's a number of actual video rendering companies or video restoration companies that began with horror because there's so much classic horror that doesn't really get the Blu-ray treatment that real horror fans want to see some of those movies kind of redone in modern digital with HDR and the like. So Vinegar Syndrome and another company called Second Sight, both of them got their start doing essentially horror renders of those old classics. And Vinegar Syndrome in particular really made a name for themselves doing horror and doing classic porn as well, classic erotica. That's another sort of avenue that they explore. Not of any interest to us. I mean, Amy checked it out a little bit, but not me. It's not my thing.
The horror part. The horror stuff.
But now they're getting into also some more popular films you may recognize from your past. So the 2 movies we selected are in that ilk, but again, we'll reveal them later on in the video. But we're going to take you for a little walk around the store so you get an idea of what's available there, what interesting things you may come across, and what actually
just how freaking cool the store is.
Yeah, it is a cool. It reminds me of stores from like the early 90s when then people would, you know, go make your stop in at a comic store that carried a lot more than comic. It feels like that, only it's still relevant today because of what they're bringing back. Now, of course, first and foremost, it is a movie store because Vinegar Syndrome is a film restoration and upconverting company. So you're going to find videos not just as Blu-rays and UHDs, but you're going to find every single format you can think of when it comes to video. But then on top of that, any sort of physical media or collectible media, they're going to have that as well. So you're going to come across things here that you probably haven't seen in quite some time. And they do have a fair selection of vinyl, especially rare kind of first print vinyl. So if you're into that sort of thing, I don't collect vinyl, but I have friends that do, you're going to find some great pieces here. And talking to the owner or the manager, Andy, we spoke with him for over an hour. He was so easy to talk to because he's a collector like the rest of us. He has just as much fun sourcing some of this stuff as he does selling it to you.
This is what an 8-track looks like.
The store is definitely fun to explore.
don't just look at what's on sale, look at what's on display as well, because they have a number of things that aren't for sale, but are pretty cool to look at, especially if it's something you remember from your past.
So I'm in the basement of Vinegar Syndrome, and as you can tell, they don't just sell movies, which is of course their specialty. They are a movie restoration company, but they also sell a lot of nostalgic pieces, like old records, laser disc, movies on laser disc, CDs, 8-tracks even, old posters. If it's nostalgia, they've got it. And if you're looking for something a little different, maybe something a little rare, you got to go downstairs, because you're missing half of what they carry here if you don't make the trip down that little stairway. So check it out.
So obviously we had a lot of fun at the store. There was a lot to see. There was a lot to explore. And we did come away with the 2 titles like we mentioned. A couple of cult classics. See if you can get them. I'm going to show you this image. This movie stars Norm Macdonald. Guess if you know what it is. And this image. And this movie stars Eddie Murphy, although it's not one of his more famous films. Again, it's a cult classic. But both of these come in very good 4K renders. The one on this side, which is dirty work, has a piece together. This is like a pet project of the guy who remastered it. The dirtier version, which includes clips that were removed from the original PG-13 take, and of course it's a Bob Saget film, so you know it probably could have gotten a lot dirtier than even that version. And this is The Golden Child with Eddie Murphy, one of the lesser known movies of that run of films he did when he was at his absolute peak. And this one ages well. This is a fun movie to watch. We watched it, and the 4K render is fantastic. So if you happen to be on Roncesvalles, like we suggest you see if you're in the Toronto area, take a walk down Roncesvalles, stop into some of the cool shops, but do not miss Vinegar Syndrome. Keep in mind, it doesn't open till 2 on most days, so get there a little bit later in the afternoon. Until next time, if you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. Support the channel. We're trying to grow it. When we hit 5,000, we're giving away a watch. We've got a couple of the giveaway, depending on which style you like. See you then.